Apparently I'm a eyeglass specialist now. Trying to solder this thing back together. My wife's glasses broke, and I'm an eyeglass repairman now. Just gotta get it to stay in one spot. This thing is like way old, and I'll probably burn my goddamn finger trying to do this. Alright, gotta put this over this way. Oh my god. This thing doesn't like moving. That over that way. That over that way. Almost. Just gotta get it to go. The fun part about this is getting the shit to line up. Over just a little. There we go. In just a little. Where's the solder? Shit. I forgot it over there. Damn it. Oh, damn. Where's the roll of solder I had? I had a big roll of solder. Where the hell did it go? Where did I put it? Where did it go? Let's go ahead. Did I put it back in the box? I took it out. I put it on here somewhere. Where the frick did it go? Hello YouTube, it's me again. I just had to solder the edge on there just for tomorrow because when people can't see, I don't know if you could see the solder job I did right there. Doesn't have to last forever, it just has to last till tomorrow because my wife's going to get new glasses tomorrow. So, anybody want to know how to fix glasses? Hey, soldering iron apparently works decent. Ain't no freaking ophthalmologist, but hey, that's not bad actually. There we go. All done. Dun 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 dun. Well, see you later, alligators. Thanks for watching.